Some police officers are now playing music when they're talking to the public, when they're arresting people, if they are being filmed. Because if they're being filmed, they use copywritten music, and then Instagram and YouTube takes it down immediately.
Oh, what a good idea for them.
Yeah, that's happened to us before.
Yeah.
We've had videos or Facebook Live, and we have our music playing in the background, and they pull our thing down.
Although, I wonder, are they doing that? What are they doing that for? Are they doing that because they don't want... Well, I guess they're still filmed, right?
Yeah.
They still can be filmed.
They can still be filmed. They just can't be posted. Or the live, sometimes even with live streaming, Instagram might have filters that will say, "Oh, you can't live stream." It'll take down the live stream.
So in the background, are they like, "You're under arrest" while the song's playing?
We tried to. Manchester Matt is good at finding things, and he scoured the internet to find a clip of this happening. They've all been taken down.
Oh my gosh!
They'll play the Beatles. They'll play Billie Eilish, whatever they can. While they're having these interactions with people. Not all police officers, just some. And then they can't stream them, and then they can't post the video later. Like, look what happened.
And a lot of times what you'll see in what I've found in trying to find this is that you'll see the live video start, and you'll see the police officer pull out his phone and try to start playing something, and right before they do, they'll end the live video.
Oh.
So that part can still be posted.
Right. Yeah,
I
up to
like
that point.
the workaround. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's like the creativity, the effort that went into trying to figure that out. But it's also shady.
Yeah.
Because what's going on, and why don't you want to be filmed?
And most of them have the cameras on their bodies.
Yeah.
Not every place,
I
but
think I
most
heard
cities
one
do.
of these clips. It was Sublime in the background recently.
Was it?
Yeah, and the guy was trying to, and it was hard to hear.
Yeah.
I found that one, but it's over like a news broadcast.
Oh,
They show the video, but then
I see.
it's 3 seconds of that, and then it goes into a newscaster
I got
continuing.
Yeah.
If that makes sense.
Is it legal to do it as a police officer? Because isn't the whole point of having the footage and the film to protect the police officer, and so then you're evading that?
And they can use the things in court and all that,
Yeah.
And it also protects the public too from if there are some police officers that may not do the
for
right
sure,
thing.
yeah.
That as well. So yeah, it does seem shady. I don't know. Great question. We've dragged her out of court or whatever she's doing again this morning. Lisa Lanier. Good morning, Lisa.
Hello.
Hey, good morning. Yeah, I thought this was really clever on the cops' part, but it's not going to be something that is sustainable because the department, this one particular guy that was, I heard the Sublime song too, Jason. It was pretty good, but pretty clever. But they've already said that they're not in favor of this and that they're looking into whether there's discipline, that'll be handed down because of this. Probably what will happen is they'll warn the officers that this goes against the policies of the department, and then if they do it again, then they'll get in trouble. That's probably what will happen because, the way this became so viral was this activist. He's a social, political activist, and he was coming to the department he was presenting a Freedom of Information Act request for body cam footage. And what his whole thing is these cops are not keeping their body cams on when they're supposed to, and he's trying to show that. And so it's kind of like a double whammy that now the guy's like, and he was streaming the cop while he was in there presenting the Freedom of Information Act request to 300,000 Instagram followers. And, that's, you kind of have to think, you kind of have to feel for law enforcement a little bit here because it's like, come on, really. And so this guy just got really clever, and apparently more officers have been doing it across the country. But while they're not technically breaking a law to play their cell phone, that's not violating anybody's constitutional rights per se or anything, but it's definitely running afoul of the whole purpose of having the body cams that these departments are what they're trying to achieve. And so the departments are going to come down on them for it and put a stop to it.
And I see, like Jared mentioned, what are they doing like that they don't want to be seen? I could see if there's 300,000 people on you and everybody knows your name and they're just nitpicking and they're ready. I mean, I guess it's not a violation, but they're going to be attacking you regardless if you're doing everything right. You got look at what happens with 300,000 people and you post the wrong thing or something somebody doesn't like I love cats. How dare you?
Yeah.
They're going to be attacking that cop.
And in this situation, it's odd because it's the Freedom of Information Act. It wasn't a traffic stop. It wasn't, something that was being de-escalated. The guy's just at the police station being filmed. To me, that would bother me. Some guy just comes in with the camera filming me, and I'm just at work. I'm like, whoa, what's going on? But it is a clever workaround
because you still got let's say you still can get the video. You still have the video of the cop on your phone. Let's say he was doing something shady. You still have that actual video to turn in.
You turn it in. You just can't post it.
You can't, or it'll be posted without sound, I guess.
Or they'll take it down. I mean,
Yeah,
they took our video down
Yeah,
right
you
away.
just- Yeah, it's not preventing anyone from using the video later if you've committed some infraction against the public, if you're an officer. But this is where you do see a lot of what happens is these officers are doing something maybe they shouldn't be doing, and what really gets them it escalates it to the next level is when it does go so viral in media and on social media. So they are kind of trying to, I think, do some advanced damage control. And like you said, I think this officer was worried that the people who follow this social political activist are just going to assume because he's on the video without even listening to what's happening, they're going to assume this is a bad cop. And this guy was worried about 300,000 people trying to retaliate against him for no reason.
Yeah, there's double.
Which is legit. Yeah.
It is legit. And the thing is, how people, I should just speak for myself, just kind of halfway read headlines.
Yes, we do it all the time.
I saw this story a couple of days ago, or one story like this, and I just saw a police officer plays the Beatles during a traffic stop. And I'm like, well, that's nice. He's de-escalating. And I went on with my day. Then I saw another story. I'm like, are they doing like dance videos? This is so cool with the public. Oh no, they're trying to make so you can't stream them. Anyway,
I thought it was I assumed it meant, they're just trying to make it a more pleasant arrest. That's nice.
You ever notice
what's
lately?
your favorite song?
Lately, I don't know if you noticed this or not, and maybe this is just me, but at Walmart sometimes, especially in the COVID era, and even before, and during Christmas, and how they can get very rude to each other in Walmart. Do you ever notice that?
Oh, yeah.
People taking other things, and you don't have a face, and all this stuff. You notice now that Walmart is playing loudly fun music outside when you walk up?
Oh,
Yes.
are they?
I have noticed in the parking lot.
Yes, and I think it makes everybody in a better mood. I really do, because it's hard to be like, screw you. And it's like, I don't take no Maria.
Uptown girl.
And it's loud.
Yeah.
It's not silent. It's loud. It's like you can't even scream at somebody across the parking lot to fight because they can't hear you.
Jason,
I like that.
I thought the first time I ever heard it, it was to drown out any potential gunshots you might be hearing in the area. And I was like, well, at least I don't have to hear that anymore.
The thing that I've learned the most about this, Lisa, is that Jason and Katie both shop at Walmart. I'm shocked.
Yes.
I think they would rather not be found dead.
Love
in
that.
Walmart.
No, that neighborhood market, man. Love it.
Yeah, I'm surprised. I love Walmart. Yeah, of course.
Yeah, that is a bit of a surprise. Yeah, I was thinking they were more the Target kind of folks.
Yeah, Target.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, I'm that too. I've been in a lot of stores.
Katie's been banned from Kohl's, but
Any other.
so she has to go to Walmart sometimes. That's stuff she used to get at
I'm
Kohl's.
running out of options.
All right, you're awesome. Official attorney of Jared and Katie in the morning. Lisa Lanier, double duty today. We had her on earlier. She's great. If you're ever injured on the job, contact her right away at hireaheavyweight.com.